Dumelang ditsala, ke a le amogela mo Setswana se monate.
Gompieno re tlile go buisana ka diphologolo tsa naga. If you remember from our previous video, we were talking about domestic animals. This week, we will be talking about wild animals. Let's go!
Buffalo,
Nari,
crocodile,
kwena,
eagle,
ntsu,
elephant,
tlou,
giraffe,
thutlwa,
hippopotamus,
kudu,
hyena,
phiri,
monkey,
kgabo,
leopard,
nkwe,
lion,
tau,
rhinoceros,
tshukudu,
snake,
noga,
warthog.
kolobe ya naga. Bye friends!
Salang sentle ditsala.